Hello, everybody. Hi, I'm still making changes to the schedule. So, what I had on the schedule for today for a reading lesson, I'm going to change it a little bit. I was going to do the reading lesson at 10, but then Crystal came on and we just had a discussion with the student about speech. So today I'm not gonna do the lesson 1 and 2, but I'm just gonna go ahead and introduce the lesson and the unit for the month. So I'm in the student account now. The January lessons are up. So if you have access to Unique Online, the student account, and all of you should, you have a username and a password to sign in. But if you're not sure how to do that, or if you forgot how to do that, let me know and I will give you instructions. I'll give you your username and password. And I can also make some videos to kind of walk you through signing in. Okay, so January, this is the book we're going to be reading. And I think I'm going to start reading it probably tomorrow, hopefully. And I hope some of you can join me for those reading lessons. But we're going to be talking about health this month. Okay, so last month was all about holidays and giving. And now this month we're going to be talking about health. So I don't know how many of you make New Year's resolutions, or if you know what a New Year's resolution is, but a lot of people in January and the new year want to get healthy. So that's a good thing to talk about. So I'm going to go ahead and go over the vocabulary words with you today. And that's in lesson 15, word study. But we do lesson 15 all month long. I review the vocabulary with you every day. Oh, no, I'm sorry. I'm going to take the mask off because it might be easier for you to understand me if I take it off. So I'm going to put my shield on. Okay, so I'm going to do lesson 15 with you today. And then tomorrow, maybe I'll start reading the book, the levels book on lesson 1 and 2. Okay, so our first vocabulary word for the month is
body.
Okay, it's body. And here we have a picture of somebody where it's our stick figure, but see, they have a head and a body. So the body is what?
The whole physical part of a person.
Okay, it's a person and the physical part, especially, okay, so this is usually referred to as a head, everything here above your neck. Everything from the neck down is the rest of your body. So that includes your hands and your fingers and even your nails, your toes, your feet, everything else. Okay, so bones, organs, like internal organs, like your heart and your brain, everything. So your knees, your legs, your elbows, it's all part of your body. Okay, so the next word is
bone.
What's a bone? There's a picture of a bone right here.
A hard body part that supports and protects the rest of the body.
Okay, so it's a hard body part that supports and protects the rest of your body. So you have bones all over your body, including in your head, your skull. Your head bone is called your skull. Okay, and you have maybe like nose bones and cheekbones and jaw bones. So everything under your skin that you can't see is your bones. So your skin covers it, which is good. And then you have some other tissues like maybe muscles that cover it also. But underneath all that, there's bones. And that's kind of like the frame of your body. It's what keeps you standing up. Okay. So you have a lot of different bones all over your body. Like I mentioned, the skull, jawbone, cheekbones. And then you have like a neck bone or your spine. And then you have bones in your hands, in your arms, in your legs, in your feet, everywhere. Your ribs also. Your ribs are bones that cover your middle part, your middle organs like your stomach or your heart or your lungs. Okay, so there's all different kinds of bones. Okay, the next word is
brain.
Brain. Okay, that's what's inside your skull and your head. Your brain. What is a brain?
The part of the body that is in charge and makes decisions.
Okay, so it looks like this, and it's in under your skin, in your skull, and your hair, and everything. and it actually kind of controls everything in the body. So it makes everything move. It makes you think, makes you have feelings, makes you make decisions. It's the brain. Okay, let's see what the next word is.
Doctor.
Okay, here's a picture of a doctor.
A person who can treat sick people.
A person who treats sick people. So it could be a man or a woman. And most of you probably have a doctor you go to when you're not feeling good and you're feeling sick. So they treat sick people and they help you. Okay, the next word is
exercise.
Okay, how many of you do that regularly? Okay, I do that. Let's see. Here's a picture of somebody exercising.
Physical activity, moving the body.
Okay, so that's necessary for health. Physical activity and moving your body is necessary for health because it keeps your bones strong, your muscles, your heart, your lungs, and different parts of your body. It keeps it working good and strong. Okay, and the next word is
healthy.
Healthy, and healthy is
to be without pain or sickness.
Okay, healthy means to be without pain or sickness. Okay. So healthy, this person, they have a muscle because maybe they've been exercising and they're eating an apple. So part of being healthy is doing exercise and eating healthy food and going to the doctor, taking your medicine or your vitamin. Okay, so being healthy is being without pain or sickness. Okay, and the next word is
heart.
Heart, and that's another organ that's inside your body, under your skin, under your bones and your muscles and all of that. Okay, and it is
a part of the body that pumps blood through the body.
Okay, so the heart is a part of your body. It's an organ that pumps blood through the body, and it looks like this. This is the heart, and then it has like little things that go out of it, and it's connected to your blood vessels and your veins and your arteries and ventricles. I'm not sure exactly what all of it is called, but we will learn more about it. Okay, and the next word is, okay, so that pumps blood through your body and it is necessary for you to live. You have to have a heart and it has to be working well for you to be alive. So staying healthy and keeping your heart healthy is a big part of health. Okay, and the next word,
lung.
Lung, and it's kind of by the heart too. It's here where I said in the middle part under your ribs, and it is
a part of the body that is used to breathe.
A part of the body that's used to breathe, and there's two of them. There's one on the left and one on the right. You have two lungs and you need them both. It helps you breathe. So that is part of being healthy too. Having a strong heart, strong lungs, you have to be able to breathe to be alive. So those are important, really important things. And the next word is
muscle.
Muscle, and the muscle is
a long group of cells in the body that helps the body move.
Okay, so it's a long group of cells in the body that helps the body move. So it's under your skin, but above your bones, and you've got muscles all over. So you've got arm muscles, and there's several different ones in your arm, like you've got bicep and tricep, and I don't remember what all of them are. Shoulder muscles, everything, even in your face, you have muscles. If you can move it, you got a muscle there. Okay, it helps the body move. So faces have muscles, hands and feet and legs and back. There's all kinds of muscles. So we'll learn more about that as the month goes along. And the last word is
stomach.
Stomach, and that's also here. Below the lungs and the heart is the stomach, and it looks like this.
A part of the body that holds the food as it gets broken down.
Okay, so when you eat and you put food in your mouth and you swallow it, it goes down your throat and past the lungs, goes into your stomach and gets broken down. Okay, so those are our vocabulary words for the month. There's a game that we could play, but I'm not sure how to, I don't think we would be able to play that very easily. So I'm not going to go ahead and do that now. I'm going to go ahead and just go over this today, okay? sort of introducing the lessons to you. And tomorrow we can start reading the book. This is our book for the month, Pam's Healthy Snack. Okay, and then we'll answer some questions, but probably tomorrow we'll do that. Okay, because I don't want you to miss it. Okay, so please try to make sure you attend the Zoom lessons. Okay, and I will post a new schedule soon, very soon, by the end of the day, hopefully. Cross my fingers. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and end this vocabulary lesson right now, and I will see you at 11 for math.